Have you ever wondered how your phone knows exactly what you want to type next, or how your favorite streaming service recommends the perfect movie? That's AI and machine learning at work, and what we're seeing today is just the beginning. The future of this technology is going to be mind-blowing, and it's set to change everything. So, what's next on the horizon? First, think about personalization on a whole new level. Imagine an AI assistant that doesn't just schedule your meetings, but truly understands your habits, your health, and your goals. It could suggest the perfect workout when you're feeling sluggish, or even help you learn a new skill by tailoring lessons specifically to your learning style. This isn't just about convenience. It's about technology becoming a true partner in our personal growth and well-being. Now, let's talk about industries. Healthcare is on the verge of a massive transformation. AI will be able to analyze medical scans with superhuman accuracy, detecting diseases like cancer earlier than ever before. It will help researchers develop new drugs in a fraction of the time it takes now by simulating complex biological processes. This means more personalized treatments, better patient outcomes, and a future where healthcare is proactive, not just reactive. And what about creativity? You might think art, music, and writing are exclusively human domains, but AI is starting to challenge that. We're already seeing AI that can generate stunning artwork, compose beautiful pieces of music, and even write compelling stories. But instead of replacing human artists, think of AI as a new kind of paintbrush or instrument. It's a powerful tool that can augment our own creativity, helping us explore new ideas and push the boundaries of what's possible. Imagine collaborating with an AI to bring your wildest artistic visions to life. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, we have to talk about the ethical side of things. How do we make sure AI systems are fair and unbiased? How do we protect our privacy in a world where data is everywhere? These are huge questions, and the answers will require all of us developers, policymakers, and the public to work together. Building a future with AI that is both powerful and ethical is one of the most important challenges of our time. We need to build in transparency and accountability from the very beginning. So, the future of AI and machine learning isn't some far-off sci-fi dream. It's being built right now, and it promises a world that is more personalized, more efficient, and hopefully more human. It's a future where technology empowers us to solve our biggest problems, from curing diseases to tackling climate change. It's an incredibly exciting time to be alive. What part of the AI future are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.